PointInvest. Just wanted to take a few moments to talk about Ashok from TweakDesigns. We recently used Ashok to design our company website. He was referred to us by an ex-colleague of ours who we'd done some work with, and we looked at the website which he'd done, and we were fairly impressed. We weren't disappointed with our decision because we're very happy with our website. And from the beginning of building it, we were fairly inexperienced, and Ashok, took our ideas down. Was very very good in terms of gaining from us what our thought process was and what our goals were. Then during that process, he gave us a lot of ideas and really helped us from that first stage out, build out stage of what design would look like. The other good thing about working with Ashok, there are many, but another one is he teaches you how to use the Webflow software which he uses, which is really handy because once the website was live and we'd gone through that process with Ashok in showing us how to use it, it was easy to update things, small bits and pieces, and it made our actual website maintenance very easy. During the process of working with Ashok, he's very responsive and very attentive to the project. There's no point where you message him and waiting for a response. Things are done very quickly. He's very punctual with the meeting requests. We send you a meeting request. He's extremely punctual. He's always there, available all the time. It's very very refreshing to deal with a web developer who has that kind of attention to detail, and he seems very passionate about his business. And in any business, your clients are the most important function, because at the end of the day, that's what makes the business work. And he really is, very very client focused, and you can see he's very passionate about the outcome. We were actually working on a third project with Ashok, which we're quite excited about. But in summary, I couldn't recommend TweakDesigns anymore. So it's great to work with, and highly recommended.